The wait for the iPhone SE 4 might finally be coming to an end. Apple's gearing up to drop the 4th gen iPhone SE soon, and there's some serious buzz around it. Rumors are swirling that it could even be called the iPhone 16e, which is just adding fuel to the fire. Speculation around this device has been going on for years, but now, thanks to reliable sources like Sonny Dixon, it's all starting to feel real. Dixon recently shared some photos of the iPhone SE 4's dummy units on X, giving us a sneak peek at what's likely to be a pretty big redesign. The leaked dummy units show off the back and sides of the phone in sleek white and black finishes, but since they're non-functional prototypes, we don't get a look at the screen just yet. These dummies are made from supply chain data and are typically sent out to accessory manufacturers to make sure products like phone cases are ready when the phone launches. But even though they're not fully working, these prototypes give us a solid idea of the phone's shape, colors, and size. From what we can see, the iPhone SE 4 is shaping up to be a huge upgrade. The left side of the phone shows the volume button, mute switch, and SIM tray, and we're getting a better idea of the color options too. So, what can we expect from the SE 4? Well, reports are saying it'll be ditching the chunky bezels, the home button, and Touch ID. Instead, it's likely to feature a design more like the iPhone 14, with Face ID, a smaller notch, and a bigger 6.1-inch OLED display with a 60Hz refresh rate. On top of that, we're expecting some solid hardware upgrades, a powerful i18 chip, 8 gigs of RAM, just like the iPhone 16 series, and maybe even Apple's new 5G modem chipset. Oh, and the rear camera might get a nice boost with a single lens upgrade. As for the release date, insiders like Mark Gurman are saying we could see the SE 4 launch sometime in late March or early April. Pricing is expected to start around $499, which seems like a sweet deal considering the redesign, upgraded features, and overall bang for your buck. So, what do you think? Are you pumped for the iPhone SE 4? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exclusive updates. Catch you in the next video. Until then, take care.